Amy. This is just a quick little video of some things that Ella can be working on over the summertime. I always recommend IXL only because it really pinpoints where students need to grow at and what areas and skills they need to work on. I will say Ella is pretty advanced in her areas, so she does kind of have a difficult time working independently on her IXL because if you see here, her levels are a lot higher than 5th grade. I'm just going to kind of explain this to you and give you a little idea of what this will look like over the summer if you have her working on it. So her subscription will last for the rest of the summertime, or her account anyways. What she's going to want to do is she's going to want to go onto the IXL diagnostic, and she knows how to do this. If a level has a star on it, that means that she's up to date in those areas. But if it doesn't, we haven't worked on it in a while because of all of the testing we've had to do. But she'll go back into the diagnostic and keep updating it until she gets a star in each one of these areas. And every 10 days, it kind of resets and you have to go back in to have it diagnosed where your levels are. And what it does is it not only gives you a math level, it gives you an area in math, or a level for each area in math as well. So it breaks it down to numbers operations, algebraic and algebraic thinking, fractions, geometry, measurement, data, statistics, language arts. It breaks it down to reading strategies, vocab, writing, grammar, mechanics. And what I really like is that, let's say, okay, her lowest area right now in math looks like it is in measurement is the most completed one because it has a star in there. So she's going to click the drop down box and it's going to give her 2 skills to work on right where her level is in that area of math. So the lower the number, the lower the grade level. So the first number represents the grade level and the second number represents the month. So right here, this would represent 4th grade, 5th month. Down here, her language arts skills are extremely high. Her vocabulary is almost at a senior level. And this is kind of where she's struggled at working on it independently because she's like, I have no idea what some of these things mean because it is so advanced for her from what she's normally working on. I'm not concerned on her language arts areas in the slightest. The math, she can work on some of these skills that she has. And what I also really like is that if she goes to work on one of the skills, you'll notice at the bottom, it'll say, work it out, not feeling ready yet. She can go to a lesson and she can go to a previous lesson to kind of help build her up to this area that she's at. So again, I just recommend IXL, update the diagnostic, and then work on some of those skills throughout the summer. It's the most accurate, quickest way to give information to you about what she needs to work on and how she needs to work on it. Last but not least, you'll see over here for questions answered in SMART score. You don't have to get a SMART score of 100. It's recommended to get at least a SMART score of 80. That shows mastery in that level. So at 100 definitely is like above and beyond, but I wouldn't waste time trying to get 100 when you can get an 80 and then work on other skills that need assistance. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out, and I hope you have a wonderful summer. Ella's been a gem this year, and I will definitely miss her. Thanks.